Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article here by TeslaMags.com, and basically it says Tesla AI teams reviews updated release date for FSD version 13. So most of us are on the version 12.5.4.1 right now. So let's see what's going on. So the Tesla AI team has provided an update on its ongoing projects with a particular focus on the upcoming full self-driving version 13 release. According to the team's latest announcement, a significant number of Tesla customers can expect to experience FSD version 13 by this year's Thanksgiving holiday. I don't know, because Tesla extended the 1 month trial and it will end on November 24th. So will Tesla be willing to extend another week for us to try the version 13 if this timeline is correct? So September achievements in October timeline. So in early September, the Tesla AI team set ambitious targets, including release of FSD for the Cybertruck by the month's end, implementation of unparked park reverse features in FSD, and FSD version 13 release within October 2024. The team successfully completed its self-imposed September goals, though the version 13 release has seen a slight delay based on their recent X post. So you can see here, that's where they post on X right there, right? And here's what to expect in October milestone, or already achieved. Tesla has achieved several significant milestones in October. So it deployed end-to-end highway FSD to approximately 50,000 customers. So the version V12.5.6.1. I don't even have that version yet. Released Cybertruck FSD update and successfully unveiled the Cybercab robotaxi at the We Robot event, which happened in October 10th. The version 13 development status. FSD version 13 is now scheduled for release to internal customers by the end of this week. While this timeline is slightly later than initially planned, the substantial improvement justified the extended development period. So, as always, the Tesla always releases to the customers, to the employees first. They try it out and make sure they can eliminate as many bugs as possible before letting the customer to try it. So these are the key features for the version 13. So 36 hertz full resolutions, AI for video inputs, native AI for inputs, and new neural network architectures, 3 times model size and context length scaling, 4.2 times data scaling, and 5 times training compute scaling, right? And the enhanced features include improved reward prediction for collisions, avoidance, and traffic control, audio inputs for emergency vehicle detection. So this I can certainly, I experienced this. So as I was using FSD and fire truck, or no, it was an ambulance. It was really loud, and the car just continued to drive as if it didn't recognize the emergency service or the police with the siren on. So, which is good, because they should be like a human. They should recognize that it's an emergency service and that they should pull over like a human being would. So, good job. Redesigned controller for smoother operations, integrated unparked reverse and park capabilities, expanded destination options like spot parking, driveway, garage, which is awesome. So right now, Tesla is improving, because before I think Tesla just parked after the destination. Where you get to the destination, it's just parking the street. Now I think it's kind of like pulled into not a parking spot, but kind of like pulled a little bit to the right safely. And with this, if you're going to park into the parking spot, a driveway, garage, excellent. Enhanced camera cleaning and occlusions handling. So cleaning, how do we clean? So this one, I don't know how they're going to do it, because sometimes, when you get into a car or when you're driving with the FSD, it will tell you that it's degraded or until the camera's been back on. But unless we physically go out there and wipe all the 6 cameras that they have, or unless they're gonna put a camera wipers. I don't know. And this is I just want to share my experience with you guys. When I was driving, picking up my kid, when the vehicle was facing like the sun, that's the kind of message I would see too. It says the camera is degraded and FSD is temporarily disabled because the camera cannot face the sun or like the too much sunlight or something because it can't see. Not like a human like us, we can put a cover a visor or we can manage to close our eyes a little bit or something to could still see. So that I think the Tesla need to work on too when the vehicle is facing a bright light or the sun towards it, right? So here's what to expect on the upcoming rollout. Full end-to-end highway driving for AI4 users early next week. Improved V12.5.x model for AI3 city driving and smart simming expand to Europe, China, and other regions. So I actually tried the smart summon and I kind of like it, but I'm too scared to actually try it in like a Costco parking lot or anywhere. I just tried it at work and it was good. So I like that, but I've seen a lot of horror stories where the Tesla go over a curb and stuff like that. So if you're gonna do the smart summon, make sure you're within sight of the vehicle and make sure there's no obstructions unless you're willing to take the chance or the risk. Performance improvement. So early testing shows for a 4 times increase in miles between necessary interventions compared to the version V12.4.5 with additional improvements planned through November point release. So this one, the version that I have now, I think V12.5.4.1, which is a lot better than the previous version. Okay, the previous version, there's a lot of steering nag. Every so like 30, 40 seconds, you got to put your hand on the steering wheel. The one that I have now, as long as I keep my eyes on the road, literally on the road. If I just take my eye off, looking down like on the passenger seat, there's a message on the screen pops up telling me, hey, pay attention to the road. So, or if you pick up something, you look away something, it knows. So the cabin camera is there and it will make sure that you are fully focused and that at any given time you are ready to take over when FSD fails. So the Tesla AI teams continue to refine these features with most remaining components independently validated and scheduled for integration throughout November. Wow, so I'm still on the hardware 3, so I'm happy with what Tesla has been providing so far with the FSD trial. But for those of you with the with the hardware 4, you guys are going to be enjoying a lot more. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like the video, feel free to give a like, and if you like the content of this, and just make sure you subscribe for more. Other than that, thank you, be safe, till next time.